Hello. Today I will introduce homework 2.1, and it's from our Arduino Book example 2.9. So the first you can see the content of this research. The first part is project overview. The second part is hardware connection. The third part is cooperation. The fourth is examination of achievement. So let me introduce the first part, project overview. The research topic of this research is realize a digital content based on Arduino and control the increase or decrease of the number displayed on 7-segment digital tube through 2 buttons. And the research content. The first one is learn how to drive 7-segment digital tube to display number. The second is realize button input detection and anti-shake process. The third one is the control of turning on and off each section of the digital tube. The fourth one is create a simple interactive digital display system. Okay, and in the picture on the left you can see the hardware connection. In this research we need an Arduino Uno R341 breadboard and DuPont thread, 7-segment O1 and 220 current limiting resistors. The connection method of this hardware, we need a connector SW1 to Arduino digital pin 10 increment button. Connect SW2 to the Arduino digital pin 9 decrement button. Segment A is connected to pin 8 in descending order, and the segment G is connected to pin 2. But something we should mention. This is a connection method of a common cathode digital tube. If it's a common anode digital tube, the definitions of segment on and segment off need to be modified. So let's see the code of this research. The first is definition and setup. The hardware pin allocation is clear, and each section of the button and the digital tube correspond to a special pin. The macro definitions of segment on and segment off are dependent to common coded digital tube. If common or not, they need to be reversed. The number to display is not implicitly initialized and default to 0. The button pins are configured as input, and the digital tube pins are configured as output. Okay, let's see the loop function. The button status is detected through digital read, with 1 indicating is pressed. Anti-shake used a simple delay 300, which may affect the response speed. However, the number to display out of bounds issue was not addressed. Okay, let's see the main about this code. It's about the switch case. So each case corresponds to number 0 to 9, and different number are displayed by combining the on and off of each segment. The segment code is hard code. For example, the digit 0 need to light up the A to F segment and turn off the G segment. The code has high reproducibility and can be optimistic to store segment code in areas such as byte digipentance. So all of this research and the research team system workflow is about 6 parts. The first, initialization settings. Configure the bottle pins as input and the digital tube pins as output. The second is the status of the two buttons is constantly detected in main loop. When SW1 is preset and the correct number is less than 9, the number increased by 1. When SW2 is preset and the current number is greater than or equal to 0, the number decreases by 1. According to the current digital value, light up the corresponding section of the digital tube to display the number. The sixth one is simple button stabilization is achievement through delay 300. So in the end, please watch the video of the examination of achievement. Okay, so it's all for today's homework. Thank you, and please review it.